So for this project, I found myself having to cut a lot manually with pretty much a clamp and the circular saw, and to get an accurate cut, just because it's kind of hard to get this straight on there, I basically align the blade as close as possible to the line, so that's exactly where I need it to be, and make sure that I align the blade there exactly. I recommend to have the battery off, but I'm just being very careful to not, set off the saw. And then I just draw a line, because this is where the clamp is gonna sit. So the line's here, the clamp's gonna sit here, and that will guide this. It'll be in the perfect spot. And to line it up straight, so I use a T-square, and since this edge is flat, so I just draw the whole line all the way across. And then when I put the clamp on that line, I can align it perfectly and get a perfect cut. I don't know where these clamps are from, because this is actually Tony's dad clamp that I have borrowed for months and I keep using it, so I need to buy my own. I double check it. So I put it against the clamp and make sure that the blade is exactly where I need it to be. So I just make sure the teeth is like right there with the line. Another tip, when you're cutting a long board and you're cutting it in half or at any point, make sure that it is supported on both sides, because when you cut it, if I would have left just one table saw on this side and not put all the support on here, it would have just like fall. Well, not somehow I know. So now when I cut it, nothing falls. This side's fully supported, this side's fully supported. I have Tony recording me today, / helping me. I don't think she signed up for woodworking today, but
would rather be reading book.
You've been a great help. So a quick tip, since I'm cutting long ways and then I'm doing a cross, I kind of showed this on the last video, the circular saw doesn't cut all the way through, so I have to finish the cut with a jigsaw. But the reason I use a circular saw is because it cuts faster and it doesn't tear up as much. The jigsaw is a little bit slower, so I'd rather do the combination of two. And the jigsaw, if you don't use the right blade, it can also tear this up a little bit more than the circular saw would. So that's why I use both instead of just using the jigsaw to begin with. But you can use the jigsaw, that would work too. A quick tip, makeup removing wipes takes the paint off your face right away.